right, welcome to Perast.
What a beautiful place.
Right? See you guys. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Degrees, and yet this guy is selling wool hats, which I might be able to use in. Hello.
En worship wool, geen meid.
It's very hot.
Gaan daarbij shuffelen.
Handmade.
Gentleman, baby.
Adrian, are you gonna take the bag?
Well, I'm checking out this wool stuff that this gentleman is selling here in July.
Okay. Obe.
Yeah, it's very nice, but it's very hot.
20 euro.
Maybe a hat.
25.
You wanna buy one?
Well, we're going to Norway next week, so which hat do you like?
Mm. Adrian, whatever you like, honey.
I mean, this hat is very cute.
There is a mirror for you.
I'm not putting it on.
May it be the white one?
Which one?
This one?
This one?
No, the one next to it.
This
No,
one?
no, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
No, it's got a flower design.
Okay. Then that other one.
This one?
Maybe this one?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think? Good?
Very good.
Very good.
Do you want to try
Very
that
nice.
other
Very
one?
nice.
Which one? This
One
one?
of those? No.
This?
Yeah.
I mean,
You don't need for 40 degrees.
Geen meid, sheep wool.
sheep wool.
Yes.
Which one do you like better? I want to buy one. Maybe this black one.
Sure.
Ima. Moment. Kod mene je dođe. Drži glavu.
All right.
Moment.
Catch it.
Moment. To.
Get the black one.
All right. What do you guys think? Genuine wool hat from Montenegro.
Montenegro žablja.
Zorbiak.
I žablja.
How much?
25 euro.
25.
Yes. Geen meid.
That's a lot.
Ovdje voliko.
That's very much.
Voliko.
That's too much.
How much? No
How
problem.
much? I don't know. Let me see how much.
How much?
Let me see how much I have.
How much?
I will
No
see how much.
problem.
I don't know how
No
much.
problem. How much? Change, no problem.
Give you 20.
Aj, može.
All right.
Moment.
Okay.
Moment.
I think I just overpaid for this hat.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want a hat in July? I think I probably overpaid for that hat, but seems like a nice gentleman. Anyway, welcome to Perast. I got myself a wool hat in July.
It's like 90 degrees.
It's like 95 degrees, but I'll be in Norway next week.
Yeah, but Norway is not cold enough to wear hats.
It's going to be 30 at night, 40 at night.
Well, he's wearing that hat.
And I am going to be wearing this hat no matter what. Because I spent 20 euros for this hat.
Oh boy.